Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to take some Thanksgiving leftovers and make a casserole. In the bowl I have a bag of cooked noodles. To that I'm going to add some cranberry sauce, get down. Sheb, get down. No. I'm going to stir that to coat the noodles. Yeah, might as well add the rest of it. Yeah, about 1.5 cans of cranberry sauce I'm adding. Then I have a sizable amount of leftover stuffing. I'm going to add that. Might as well get rid of all of it. And stir it in to incorporate it into the noodles. Break it up a bit. Then I have roughly 2 pounds of chopped turkey meat. Add that and stir it in. And I have a buttered 9x13 dish. I'm going to spoon this mixture into it. I've got my oven preheated at 350. That's about half the mixture. I've got a second dish that I've buttered. Let's get this mixture all in it. There we go. Get all the goodness out. Then I'm going to sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese over the top. No link. No link. I'm going to place it into my 350 degree oven for roughly a half an hour, or until the cheese is melted and turned a golden color. And I'll be back when it's done. Okay, my casserole is done. I'm going to scoop a little bit out. And give it a little taste. Mmm. It turned out very good. I'm very pleased with this. Hopefully you enjoyed the recipe. You'll give it a like. And please subscribe. And I'll see you again sometime later.